everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my favorite lip products. You guys know since I took a break, I've really tried to downsize. I got rid of a lot and I decided, which ones I decided to keep, which ones were my favorites, the ones that I repurchased, the ones that are just my go-tos. And those are the products I'm going to show you today. I have some lip liners, I have lipsticks, I have a couple lip glosses, but I don't have like a menagerie of stuff anymore. But these are like the ones that never fail. So I'm going to show you those right now. So we're going to start with lip liners really quick. Iconic Nude. This is a new one that I recently picked up, but absolutely love it. It climbed up my list like that. So it's just like one of the ultimate liners for a good nude lip. So I'm going to swatch it right here. It looks like that. It's got just a little bit of that tawny pink to it, but it can go either with peaches, it can go towards pinks, and it can go towards just like a really nude lipstick. So I really like this. Okay, the next one is also by Charlotte Tilbury, and this one is Pillowtalk. This I really love with a natural lip. If I would just want to put gloss on or just lip serum or something like that, this will just outline your lips and make them look fuller, but it's not too pink. Make it almost look like you have a liner on, if that makes sense. So this is a really good one. And of course, when I line my lips, it's not going to be that dark. I'm just giving you a pretty decent swatch. Like when I line my lips, it's light like that. So this is a really good one for days like that, or like a makeup look. Definitely snag that one. Okay, a tried and true MAC Oak. So this one has, I don't want to say it's been replaced a little bit by the Iconic Nude, but this was my go-to, and I'm going to swatch it next to it. This one is definitely more on the brown side. It's right here. It's definitely a little bit more brown, but you can still get away with it, especially with pinks. I really like MAC Aloof, which is a pinker tone nude with oak. I think it's really pretty. But this has been with me, I don't even know how many years, so that's a go-to. I really liked MAC Strip Down, but this one is a little bit lighter, and I just feel like it doesn't have as much of like a red undertone. And I just like more of, not like a cooler, I'm just more of a neutral type person. Always have been, I don't know why. Okay, and the final lip liner that I really love is the NYX Natural. It's just another natural shade. Kind of, I want to say it's a little bit like Iconic Nude, but it's got a little bit more pink in it, but it's still really pretty. And I wear this with everything too. I mean, it's just a neutral liner, and those, like I said, are my favorite, because I don't like it when I'm not happy with my lip combo, and I know these are always gonna do a good job. So those are my lip liners. Now for lipsticks. You guys are gonna laugh because I have some that are pretty much like empty, and I got like a little I have a little stash that when I go to the mall I'm gonna get. I just haven't had the chance to go to the mall, and of course, like some of the back to Macs and stuff, they don't do that at Ulta, so I kind of have to go to the mall. Maybe I'll go like in the next couple weeks and just get everything, because I think I have 3. Yeah, I think I have 3 that are like out, but I'm still gonna show you. Like, obviously I love them. All right, so my favorite nude is MAC's Blankety. Now this is when I want to do a very like neutral, no pink, no peach, just a like a really nude look. So I will use MAC Blankety, and it's got, I mean, it's got a slight hint of pink, but it's more on the cool tone side, and I love it. It's been one of my favorites since the beginning, and it's still around. So that's a go-to nude for me. The next one, you guys know, is Aloof. And look, this is going in the empties for sure. But I'm just gonna, I mean, I've been using like everything up, like no wasting, nothing. I've been really proud of myself, so I'm just gonna take this little brush and I'm gonna swatch it like this. You guys are laughing at me, I'm sure. Okay, actually this is a really good little swatch brush. Okay, so it's a pinky nude. I've been using it in like every video, and I feel bad even talking about it because I feel like I've only talked about certain products, and I've done like the same look over and over. I switched it up today, different highlight, different lip. You guys are probably like, okay girl, use something else. But seriously, like, that's just been me lately. I just haven't, like, I don't know, it's just like a no-brainer to grab like the same things, you know what I mean? So that's just kind of been like the mood I've been in lately. But MAC Aloof, you guys have to get this. I absolutely love it. It's so good with Iconic Nude, so good with Pillowtalk. It goes with all of these liners, every single one. I've used it with all of them. So definitely, if there was like one lipstick that I'd say go get right now, it would be MAC Aloof. So there's that. Okay, I'm just gonna do all the MACs first. MAC Angel. I feel, I don't know if maybe it's just this tube, but I feel like this one's a little bit more pinker than it normally looks. I don't know, but it's still a go-to pink for me. So that's a really good pink. Another good pink is Cream Cup. And this one's out too, so let me just swatch it. This has got like a little bit more of a nude tone to it, but I do really love this one. I mean, as you can see, they're all like similar, but they're all different. You know what I mean? Like, I just really, really love it. Okay, probably one of my all-time favorite lipsticks is the Laura Mercier Amaretto Swirl. You guys, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. This one's almost out too. I was gonna order it the other day, and I don't know why I didn't. I'm gonna put it next to Blankety. It's really, really similar to Blankety. It's got a little bit more pink to it, but you guys, it is, oh my gosh. It's just I don't know if it's the formula, but when you put it on, your lips feel good, and it smells really good, and the color, it's like, I don't want to say it's like a thicker lipstick, but it gives you, I think it's just the formula that I'm obsessed with. I don't know, because when you put it on, it makes your lips look good. You know how there's just some lipsticks that like, okay, when you put the lipstick on and then your lip liner, everything just flows so pretty, and it just makes your lips look bigger and like pucker. I don't know, like, if you know what I'm talking about, that's the feeling that lipstick gives. It's so hard to explain, but when you take like a picture of yourself and you look at it, you're like, man, my lips look good. every time. That's how I feel with that lipstick. So love it. Okay. Now I haven't been into lip glosses lately just because I haven't wanted like sticky lips or anything. Maybe I'll get back into them when tutorials and all that stuff. But I have like 3 products that if I want that lip gloss look, I like to wear. The first one is Lorac's Southern Belle. Actually, no, I have 4. The name is super cute, but it's like a bubblegummy pink. And I like to wear this by itself. Sometimes I don't even put like a liner on or anything. It's just a really cute bubblegum pink. That's like the best way I can describe it. And it feels good on. It's not super sticky. If you guys use the if you use the Sephora glosses, you know how some of them aren't like super sticky. This is what it feels like. So I like this, and it smells good. And there's a lot of, I don't know, there's a lot of lip glosses I feel like if you don't put it on with a lip liner, it's just, you know what I mean? This one's really good without a lip liner. So when I'm in a hurry or something, that's one I like. The one I have on today, I think is still available. The Butter London in, what is this again? Oh, Tea with the Queen. That's what I have on today with Iconic Nude Liner. And it's really nude, but I do like it on, I mean, it's pretty nude. But this one, I mean, you could put over a lipstick for sure, but this consistency is pretty thick. So I do like this just over your lips with some liner. So that's the other one. The YSL, the Volupte Tint, I always forget the name of this one, Tint in Oil number 3. I think it's number 3. I had a heck of a time finding this, but I love it. Number 1, smells so good. 2, I love the applicator. Applies super easy. I just like how it feels. It's like fruity. I don't know, kind of smells like, I don't know if it's like watermelon or strawberry or something, but I really love the smell. Oh my gosh, every time. And I applied it over my lipstick the other day, and I probably shouldn't because I was like babying this applicator, but you're not gonna really be able to see it. It's got like the slightest pink to it. Yeah, you're not gonna really see it, but when you put it on, it makes your lips look fuller and pretty and a little bit of pink to them. But I do love this. Or this looks really good with Charlotte Tilbury as the lip liner. I mean, it just makes your lips feel good. Smells really good. Just one of my favorites. And last but not least, our Redefine Lip Serum. This a lot of people like to wear at night before you go to sleep. It helps with the wrinkles around your lips, and it makes your lips super soft when you wake up. It kind of has a little bit of like a little tingle effect. It smells amazing, but I like to wear it with Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, Pillowtalk, and these are just little capsules. So when you get this serum, it comes with 60 little capsules in here, and when you just take the tip off of it, pinch it off, and I know some people will use the whole thing, but this will last you like 2-3 uses easy. And you just need a little bit. You put some on your ring finger, put it on, especially for like no makeup days or like really simple makeup days. I do love this. Oh my gosh. And after it soaks in, it makes your lips feel soft, and oh my goodness, I highly recommend that it will last forever. So these are a go-to for me, and I even used it in my no makeup tutorial, and I'll link that below. So those are my go-to lip products. Yeah, so these are the ones that I kept all these years, that I've repurchased throughout, you know, the past couple years, and the ones I feel like I can't really live without. So I just thought I'd share those with you. I do want to get some Tom Ford lipsticks, but oh my gosh, I like cannot bring myself to spend the money. I don't know, like every time like I'm looking at it online or I'm at the store, I'm like, I'm gonna get it, and then I like talk myself out of it. I'm just like, I can get like 2 lipsticks for that. So I don't know, but tell me what your guys' favorite lipsticks or lip liners or lip glosses are, and I'll check them out. And I mean, I do need to kind of get something new, you know what I mean? So yeah, keep me posted as to what your favorites are, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.